You ever have that one friend that has a lift and it doesn't record for his GoPro or what? Oh, doesn't. You're gonna have to cut that. That doesn't record for his YouTube page. What you got to say about that?
Me. We're about to weld the diff today.
Hey, Rick, not me. Rick don't weld the diff.
That's true.
I don't weld. See that thing over there? My welder dog.
Rear end's going in party mode.
Listen, when somebody buys a 300ZX and they ask you to install a hydro, say no.
All right, bad news. Yeah, dog. You know, that's how it goes sometimes. You know, but stay tuned. She is primed. She's not sanded because we're about to go out to get our weld done. I'll give you the details on that in a second. I have a good friend of mine coming to help drag her all the way to the shop to get welded. You should be pulling up here.
What did you do that for?
That was fucking funny.
That was my first time linking that ever.
Bro, you ain't looking bad. I was about to say.
I just did that. That's the first time I ever made it the whole way through.
Hell yeah. Now you just need more speed.
Yeah, that was first gear.
I seen you linking it up earlier too. I seen you.
I'm like,
And you're full loaded with tires.
Yeah,
It'll be a lot better without tires.
heavy.
Send it though. You're killing it. Hey, you was swinging on that one, bro. You was swinging, bro.
Front end is officially official. And today's test drive was amazing. First time I've ever linked the horseshoe. I did it 3.5 times. 3.5 times I linked the horseshoe. I'm starting to like this car, and I think a lot of people will too. It's not really a common car. I mean, not all cars got T-tops, you know what I mean? But you're gonna fall in love with this car. You just don't know it yet. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, do everything to make me famous because I'm trying to quit my day job. Please.